welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this beautiful fall look for you guys. After summer, fall is my favorite season. I love all the fall colors. I love the leaves changing color. I love that fresh air in the morning, but what I hate is knowing after fall comes winter. I hate winter, but that's okay. I did this beautiful orange kind of halo eye for you guys today. I knew I was gonna like this look because I love the orange warm shades on my lids, but I'm actually in love with this eye color. Anyways, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. So I'm starting off using my Tatcha's primer, and I'm taking a very small amount of this with my fingers and just applying this all over my face. And again, for foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder's Double Wear, and I love this foundation. It literally stays on for hours and hours. And when you're applying this, just start from the outer part of your face and work your way in. That just helps the foundation to go on lighter, because on the outer part of your face you don't really have pores. We have pores in our T-zone around nose area, so apply it lightly there so it doesn't look too cakey. And make sure to apply some onto your neck so your face and your neck matches. And for concealer today, I'm using my all-time favorite Tarte tape shape. So basically just apply it under your eyes and the bridge of your nose. I do my forehead a little bit also. If you have any discoloration anywhere on your face, apply it. I have a little discoloration around my mouth area, so that's why I apply it there. And then you can just apply it a little between under your cheekbones, so when you apply the contour, it just makes the contour stand out more. And to blend out everything, use your damn beauty blender. And for setting powder today, I'm using Kat Von D's loose powder, and I'm just applying that under my eyes with my damn beauty blender. Apply a lot so when you have fallout from your eyeshadow, it doesn't go onto your skin, it goes on the powder. And then just apply a very small amount of the powder with your beauty blender all over your face, just so it sets your foundation. And as always, I'm using MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my lids. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using Morphe's 350M palette, and I'm picking up that light shade color from the palette with a big blending brush, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid for my base. And now I'm taking 120 colors from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just taking that yellow from this palette. That's the only yellow I have, so I'm just taking that yellow shade from this palette and I'm applying that with a big blending brush to my crease. Now from my Morphe palette, I'm picking up that orange shade with another big blending brush, and I'm applying that over the yellow. And basically just focus this onto your crease and a little bit on the outer corner of your eye, and just keep blending it. Now with a small blending brush, I'm picking up that burgundy shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm applying that in the outer corner of my eyelid and in the inner corners of my eyelid. And with a small blending brush, blend that out into the orange shade. Now with a small pencil brush, I'm picking up that dark brown shade from the palette, and I'm applying that over the burgundy just to make my inner and outer corner of the eye a little deeper. And using another blending brush, just blend those colors out. Now with a small blending brush, pick up that burgundy shade and focus that onto the outer corner and just onto the crease, just to define your crease more and make the outer corner a little darker. Now I'm taking the 350S palette and I'm picking up that bright orange shade with my finger because these colors come off a lot better with your finger rather than the brushes. So I'm just picking up that shade with my finger and applying it onto the center of my lids just to give my eyes that halo look. Now with a flat brush, I'm picking up that burgundy shade and applying that close to my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna pick up the orange shade from the palette with a small pencil brush and then smoke out these two colors. Now from the palette, I'm picking up that bright white kinda champagne shade with a small detail brush, and I'm applying that onto the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes look wider and brighter. Now for my favorite part, wiping away the loose powder that's still on my skin. I love this step because once you take that loose powder, your face just looks flawless. The eyeshadow looks beautiful. Now I'm taking Urban Decay's black pencil liner and I'm gonna line my waterline with this. I feel like this brings the whole look together. Now I'm picking up the same highlight shade from the palette with a small detailed brush and I'm applying that under my eyebrows just to highlight my eyebrows. So I haven't done this before, but I just picked up that dark brown shade from the palette and applied it a little bit onto my nose to use that shade for contour. I have seen someone else on YouTube do this before and I just wanted to give it a try. To be honest, I didn't love it, but at least I gave it a try. So yeah, if you wanna go with something easier, just use your bronzer or something, because I didn't really like how it came out. Now to contour my face, I'm using Too Faced Sun Bunny and I'm just applying that onto my jawline to make my jaw look a little smaller, and then also I'm gonna be applying the same shade onto my cheekbones to make my whole face look a little slimmer. And today for blush, I'm using MAC's Peaches, and I love this blush because it's very subtle but it looks really nice. It looks very natural. And for highlight today, I'm using Tarte's highlighter palette, and I love this highlighter, you guys. I've been in love with this highlighter. It's so soft and smooth. It doesn't give your skin any texture, and just look at that. I put just a little on my skin and it looks so glowing and beautiful. By the way, that trick I'm doing right there, I learned from Rihanna's makeup artist. I saw it on Nikki Tutorials video, so it looks very nice. It makes your highlighter pop up a little more. And now I'm just with the blush brush, I'm just mixing the blush and the highlight so it looks a little more natural. And I'm also applying the highlighter onto my chin. You don't have to do this, I just like doing that. And then apply it onto your forehead a little bit. And I also love applying this onto my temples, and then you can also apply it a little in the center and onto the top of your eyebrows. If it's too much for you, you don't have to do this step. And then with my finger, I just take a little bit of the highlighter and apply it onto my Cupid's bow. And this has to be my favorite part, so the bridge of my nose and a little bit onto the tip of my nose, and I use my finger to apply it on the tip of my nose. My eyes were looking a little too round, so I decided to bring in the eyeliner into the inner corner and make it a little pointy so my eyes don't look so round. Before applying my eyelashes and mascara, I like to set my face so when I close my eyes, the mascara doesn't get onto my skin. And for lashes, I'm using these lashes that I got from Primark. They're called Milan. And for mascara today, I'm using the Balm's Cosmetics What's Your Type mascara, and I'm applying that to my upper lashes before I apply my false lashes. Let your glue get a little tacky, and then using your fingers or tweezers, apply your lashes. I like to use tweezers, it's much easier for me. And apply the same mascara to your lower lashes. Give your lashes few coats just so they look thicker and longer. And for lips today, I'm using Lime Crime's liquid lipstick in the shade Wicked. So I'm outlining my lips a lot today. And for my top lip, I'm doing that little V shape that they do on models. I see this on magazines all the time and I love it. So I just overlined the shit out of my lower lip, and then for my top lip, I'm just using a brush to give my lips that pointy look. Basically, I had to draw it a few times to get my desired look. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. They're all at makeupbyroya.com. Actually, I'm lying. Facebook is at Royale. I don't really use Facebook that much, so that's why I haven't gotten to change the name to Makeup by Roya yet, but I'll get to it eventually. But yeah, just follow me on Instagram, and please share this video with your friends if you like it and give it a thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Mwah! Bye.